Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ServiceNow Now Assist to automate ticket creation and answers. Complete guide step by step clearly. To set up ServiceNow Now Assist for automating ticket creation and answers, begin by logging into your ServiceNow instance. Navigate to the Now Assist application within the ServiceNow platform. Once in Now Assist, click on the Configuration tab at the top of the screen. Next, select Enable Now Assist from the configuration options. Review the prerequisites listed on the screen to ensure your system meets the requirements. Once confirmed, click the Enable button to activate Now Assist. Next, head to the Chatbot Settings section to configure your chatbot. Start by selecting a language and defining the chatbot's behavior according to your organization's needs. Then, set up the intent recognition process by clicking on the Intents tab. Here, create new intents that correspond to common queries and ticket types. Add examples of user phrases that will trigger these intents, ensuring they cover various phrasings and synonyms. After defining your intents, move on to the Entities tab to set up any required entities. Entities help the chatbot extract specific information from user queries, such as dates, times, and user IDs. Once you've created the necessary entities, link them to their respective intents for streamlined data capture. Next, head to the Automated Actions section to define how the chatbot will respond to user queries. Create automated actions corresponding to the intents you've already defined. This may involve creating tasks, generating tickets, or providing answers to frequently asked questions. Then, review the integration settings to connect Now Assist with your existing ITSM processes. Ensure that Now Assist is set up to interact with your ticketing system and other relevant platforms. Once integration is confirmed, it's time to test the setup. Use the preview function to simulate user interactions and verify that the intents and responses function as expected. Make any necessary adjustments based on the test results. After successful testing, save your configuration and deploy Now Assist to your production environment. Finally, monitor the performance of Now Assist through analytics to ensure it meets your automation needs. Adjust intents and automated actions as user interaction data is gathered for continuous improvement. Congratulations, you have successfully set up ServiceNow Now Assist for automating ticket creation and answers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.